Hi, I'm Faye, and I want to show you a really neat, inexpensive product that I found on Amazon. These are the vintage wood snowflake coasters from MBH Goods. I got these because they were inexpensive and I needed some quick winter cheer, but when they arrived, I was surprised at how well they were manufactured. I guess they're laser cut, so the finish is really high quality. They come as a set of 6, and there are 6 different snowflake designs included with the package, which is great. The average diameter is just under 5 inches. I think that the package says they're 4.9 inches, so while they work just great as a coaster, they can even be used as a trivet in a case where you're trying to lay out a winter-themed table. Something I even caught onto that was an idea on the Amazon ad was to do a craft with them. Since they're all different, you can have like a party and you can have everyone paint or decorate them. I have a 4-year-old daughter and she really enjoyed that craft. Next year, I think I'll do a craft day with her and her friends over to make coasters for their mothers and grandmothers. The possibilities are really endless with these well-built snowflake coasters from MBH Goods on Amazon.